So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, if Windows finds any corrupt files, it should then try to repair them. Next, you want to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. If it's still not fixed, there's two more methods that we're going to go through. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. You want to find fix problems using Windows Update. It's going to reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings are going to be preserved. So click on reinstall now if you want to do this. They're going to attempt to fix the system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your apps, documents and settings are going to be preserved, so you will still have them. I would recommend ticking the box automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation and then click on OK. It's then going to start running this for you. Wait for this to load. If that's still not working, then you want to come back to this screen and you want to click on reset PC. Make sure you have your important files backed up. You then want to reset your computer.